In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an invoice on Woocommerce. Running an online business involves a plethora of tasks, but one of the most fundamental tasks is managing orders and printing invoices. Whether it's for shipping, record keeping, or customer inquiries, having a physical copy of an invoice can be quite crucial. Thankfully, if you're using Woocommerce for your e-commerce platform, printing an invoice is a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you can manage this task efficiently. First things first, you need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control room where the magic happens. Consider it the starting point for all your administrative tasks on your site. From updates to plugin management and beyond, this dashboard offers a comprehensive view of what's happening on your e-commerce site. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Orders section. This is usually located in the sidebar menu. Clicking on Orders will open up a list of all the transactions that have been made on your site. It's a central place to view, manage and analyze your sales. This screen gives you a quick overview of order details such as the order number, date, status, customer details and total amount. Now it's time to select the specific order for which you want to print the invoice. This step is crucial because it determines which transaction you're dealing with. Given that each order has its unique specifications and details, ensuring you've selected the correct one is key. Simply click on the order to see more details. Once you've got the order details open, look for a button or link labeled print_invoice or something similar. The exact wording might vary slightly based on your WooCommerce setup or any additional plugins you may have installed. This option is designed to convert the digital order details into a printer-friendly format, making it easy to generate a physical copy of the invoice. In some cases, you might find there are two instances where you need to click something akin to print_invoice. This redundancy could be due to the way your specific WooCommerce setup is structured or how the templates are managed within the system. Regardless, following the prompts will get you where you need to be. Next, you might encounter a step where you need to click on Apply after selecting an print_invoice option. This could be part of filtering orders or applying specific actions to them. This step confirms your intention to print the invoice for the particular order you're dealing with. After navigating through these selections, the final step is actually printing the invoice. This might involve a print dialog box popping up asking you to select your printer and preferences such as the number of copies, color options and so on. Once you've made your choice, confirm the action and voila, your invoice should start printing. Here are a couple of extra tips to ensure you get the best out of this process. 1. Make sure your printer is set up correctly and loaded with sufficient paper. It seems straightforward, but it's a common hiccup that can delay your tasks. 2. Review the print preview carefully. This is your chance to catch any errors or adjustments before using ink and paper. It's always better to spot mistakes on screen rather than after you've printed several copies. In conclusion, printing an invoice on WooCommerce is a very manageable task if you follow the correct steps. The platform is designed to make e-commerce operations seamless, and once you get the hang of these processes, you'll find managing orders and their associated tasks to be a breeze. Remember, the goal is not just to sell, but also to maintain professional and accurate records for your business operations. And mastering simple yet essential tasks like printing an invoice plays a big part in that. Thanks for watching, and here's to your continued success in the e-commerce world.